No.
Aaron! Go! Start it.
Ay, ayan na. I clicked it. Ayamali. What the fuck? Ah, ito yung multi-vector. Okay. Sure. I'll just ready because I have no other good guns. JM ready up.
I'm ready. Wait,
Wait, the mission.
yeah, we haven't checked the mission. I was gonna check it.
Oh,
Or not.
such is a long way to the road of servitude. That road prohibits me from disclosing my name as of now.
Ate, nandyan na nga yung mukha mo.
In the moment, your friends have caught the attention of my clients. They sponsored your survival, in a sense, yes? So after this, I'll see you in the cold, empty room. Until then, farewell, dear Casca.
They call
Whatever.
me Kalar.
Alright.
Oh!
Yeah.
Whatever.
Oh, what's that? I don't get. Oh, say your lines, guys.
I didn't see
Who
my
am I?
Who am I again?
You're
You're
Aradus.
Aradus. Who am I?
I'm
I'm Arad.
Casca.
Oh my gosh, you guys have... Uy! You guys have faces. And Netsuko look like a grown-ass man, bro. You have a beard and everything.
You have an injury. Take this down.
Wait. Hindi naman sa'yo din naluluma. What the hell? No, it didn't. Puta. The helmet is getting in my way.
Intimidate. Oh, shoot!
F.
I just killed someone. It started shooting at me.
Oh shit.
I just killed another one.
Man, hostile killed, ate.
You killed
No!
that ate. We just need to threaten them.
Try to threaten them
okay.
first, F, and then if they didn't hit.
Uh-oh. Find key card.
Wait, I don't have a zip tie.
Wala kang zip tie?
Oh,
I
this
don't
is
have
so
one too.
good.
Oh, I don't have one. Don't shoot him.
Then just tell him to ano.
Try to stand up, bitch. I found a key card.
Get upstairs and find a way around the blast door.
You guys get ahead. I'll guard him.
Ouch!
What is that?
I died!
Tiger! Ow!
Ay!
Non-hostiles killed.
What? I died?
I died too.
You're on kill.
Retry.
That's cool though. But how can I retry?
Retry ba?
Or replay.
I replay ko lang.
Ay. It's fine. Okay, let's read the mission. It has been around 2 days since the assault failed and the army left me and Kalar here. We've run out of food, water, but we still have our fighting spirit. Our uniforms and weapons have deteriorated, but we managed to steal some guns, fresh clothes, and other gizmos we might need. We've also found some guy nearby, apparently in a room just around this place. He's a bit weird, but I'm sure he'd be a great addition to this ragtag team. The plan is to find a new radio, call for help, and destroy the anti-air radar installations on the roof. I don't think we'll make it out, but it's better than dying here.
Definitely.
Press F to intimidate someone. Making noise will alert nearby guards. People are only considered hostile when armed, reaching for a weapon or running away.
Click shift guys. Shift tayo. Let's shift walk. Shift walk ba yun?
Okay.
Or right click walk or something.
Di na lang sa'yo, di nalulumaw.
I'm gonna skip it.
How do you shift?
Spirits boss. I boss?
Oh,
If
don't
only
run.
Reds
Try
would
not to
know.
run.
But he's not here now.
Yeah. Maybe it only activates when I'm there.
Can someone kick this door? And then I'm ready. Or I can kick this door. I can kick this door
kick
for
it.
you.
Oi! There you go. Oh! Help! Help!
What's happening? Is that
Okay, what happened? Wait, on a non-hostiles, he literally tried to shoot me.
Girl, you were getting stabbed.
I was. This bitch tried to kill me. What do you mean non-hostile?
Yeah, that's what happened to me when I killed the first guy.
Good charge,
But
chat.
again, not hostile.
Oh, there's a guy. We took on the key card. Everything. We shouldn't run now.
Is everything clear?
No. I'm in here. I can see. Yeah, let's go here.
Oh, damn.
Uy! Okay, there's gonna be one guy.
Wait, oh.
Ow!
Huh?
Help!
Help him, Nas.
Help!
Wait
Help.
lang.
I'm dying.
Wait lang.
Other.
Sige, kayo na lang.
I killed one because he had a freaking gun.
Yun nga eh.
Open this. And then Alan.
We can't kill another
support.
hostile.
I don't understand.
Where did you find the key card before?
He's just blaming behind the crates.
There's another door here, guys. There's two more. Kick it and then ano. I'll be ready to aim.
Okay, go!
You
Try
can
to
open it like this.
I saw. Oh! Ow! Ow!
What?
Behind you guys! Behind you guys! Behind you!
Oh,
What's going on?
help us, Aaron. Aaron naman.
How?
What's the space?
Face.
What? I don't understand. Look.
This is a Pacheco game.
Sa pa-check ko game. I
God
tried to
damn.
threaten him, pero let
Sara nyo nga.
Thank you.
deserve. It was here. It was behind here. How is it going?
Don't kill him, don't kill him.
Meron ba dito?
They opened fire with no before. What the hell?
Here.
Wait. Wait, how do you open the door lightly?
Um, dun sa handle niya. Here, come.
No, I keep kicking the door.
When
Yes.
it's unopened, I think. Oh, you can, refill your ammo here.
I'm sorry. How did you open the door lightly, Aaron?
You just stop. Don't. Di ba may two buttons? There's like a button here at the bottom and a like a prompt at the top sa door. You click the top
Okay.
one.
Hey, big guy, what's your name? Just in case I live, you know.
The name's Arados. Been serving the army for a few years.
They call me Casca. Signed a contract some time ago and got placed in the first assault. But they also left me behind. Seeing a pattern here? Anyways, what's the kid doing here? He looks too young to be fighting.
Hey, Aaron?
Is that me? I volunteered.
Oh, been hearing stories of fire teams running out of people. Heard there's gonna be a draft soon.
Those are rumors. Focuses. Oh, for now.
Oh
Ow!
no! Intimidated.
Hey, Ron.
What am I doing? I feel like we had the
Hello,
checkpoint.
retry.
Retry from checkpoint.
It's like the most
Pero
recent
na-checkpoint na ba tayo?
Yeah, I feel like
Oo,
we had the checkpoint.
just right now.
Yung when we opened when we entered the thing. Ayan na.
Ay,
Ay,
parang stop.
ayun niya.
Huh?
Okay. So, go up. Wait, JM. There's another room here. Let's open it gently.
Okay.
Kalar.
Cask.
Okay, the thing is locked.
Ay!
Oy!
Sorry.
Don't just next time. Kasi if we kick the doors, like the other guys get alerted. So,
Yeah.
let's be prepared. Tell me if you're kicking a door para you have a support pagka nasa labas.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Let's knock. Okay. Wala
Knock
ayaw.
the doors.
Okay.
Should we like this one?
Sige,
I'll
try
kick
that
it
one
now.
and then I'll look back. Yeah.
Oh, it's going down. I'll kick it again.
Okay, I'll look back for you.
Ah, shit. It won't work.
Aren't we supposed to go up?
We're supposed to
Really?
find something.
We're supposed to find a way.
Find a way around the blast door. Sige, I'll check flank.
What's the blast door?
Or someone check flank na lang.
Ate Aya. Oh no.
There's
Behind
someone.
us.
Ayun.
Wait lang. Close the door.
Intimidate.
Close the door muna. Close the door.
Yeah,
Let him.
close the door. Okay.
Yan, intimidate. Wait. Oh no. He almost. There's a grenade! Run! Run! Ate. That was scary.
This game is so demanding!
Ate!
Oh
Ow.
shoot!
Ow. Help me.
Wait
I
lang.
didn't see that.
Ate. Hero is coming for you.
I thought you guys were both dead.
This is so hard.
Lying down.
Oh man, I was checking flank.
Wait, kinda fun though.
Giving me
Yeah, but
Valorant vibes.
I suck at this.
Right click like prepare nyo na yung right click nyo agad if you feel like we're going to combat. Like, right click na kayo.
What is the right click?
Yeah. And
Ano
then
ginagawa nun?
it focuses the gun.
Oh,
Open it. I
Ate, this
kick
is
it.
the wrong way.
Oh wait,
Oh,
are we supposed to go here? Oh,
What?
it's different.
it's a different. It's randomly
Okay ba?
generated.
Randomly generated.
Oh,
The smell! Ugh! Clean this place, you dogs!
shut up,
Jobs.
Casca.
Oh,
Intimidate, intimidate,
Intimidate.
intimidate.
These are
cheese.
He was
Oh,
about to
almost.
draw a gun. He
It's
was
all
about to
good.
draw a gun.
How about most this one? Huh?
What is that?
Okay na, we secured this.
Oh,
Tell her to go down. Tell her to go down lang.
Oh, look. Can drag her.
Where?
how?
Look. I don't know.
I don't know. Just stand down for now.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. Wait, this is like getting into role play. Okay, comrades, just tread
I'll
lightly.
kick the door. I'll kick the door.
Okay, I'll check lang.
I'll check your 6. I'll check your 6.
Okay. I'll check 12. Mm.
Closing. Go inside. Go closing the door.
Kabali check 9. It's long.
Okay,
Sige.
the
Check
back
flank,
and
check
the
flank
front.
next.
I need
I'll help
to.
you.
I need to focus my
I'll
gun.
support you. Someone check
Oh,
flank.
yeah.
Sige, I'll check flank na.
I'll focus my gun. Shoot.
Oh. Nothing here.
Nothing there?
Should guard this door.
Okay.
I'll kick it ah. Oh, there's a guard there. There's a guard there. Side.
Oh shoot. He's gonna go here.
Tell him, just intimidate
Go
him.
down, go down. You want me to open the door? There's two of
Mm,
them.
should we
Yeah.
open fire on him?
There's two of them. You can F,
Oh
F.
shoot. F.
Guys, get out, get out, get in the room, get in the room.
Oh shoot.
Not grenade.
I got him too. I was too late kasi I was like, what will you pull
That's
out?
why I'm carrying the grenade.
Yeah.
This is too hard for me.
I like the aiming system. It gives me Valorant vibes.
Yeah, it's
It really
nice.
does.
Huh?
That's why I like aiming here. I was like, wait, this is like my sense too. Pag naka-right click ako, this is like my sense.
You want here?
Oh!
Oh, intimidate.
Yep. You're
Check.
fine. You're fine.
No one here now.
Get down, girl. Get down.
You're fine. Get down. Damn, that sounds wrong, but sure. Let's open one.
I just want to
Tread
go.
lightly. Lightly.
No, let's go.
There.
I feel like we should go here first. I feel like what we should do, I think yung mali natin is we
Ito,
should
let's
clear
finish the
everything
publish
first.
thing.
Like, we're not clearing stuff.
Wait lang. I'm gonna knock on the door.
Wait.
Knock it out.
The
Oh, you-
enemy
Wait,
knows you're
someone
here,
sh-
but
okay.
don't know where you are. Find a radio station.
Oh, got me.
I'll close the door.
I'll save you.
Get in, go. What should we find the radio station?
What do I
Where's-
look like? Do I look young?
Yeah, you look
Well,
kind
I think you're the youngest.
Can I see? Because
Can
you
I
look...
see ya?
Casca's definitely the old.
Oh yeah, you definitely have a beard.
Wait,
Oh,
I'm gonna screenshot it
guys.
for you
No,
guys.
threaten.
They're gonna open the door.
Fire! Nice job.
Oh,
There's one more,
someone
there's one more. Open it,
Right.
Jim. There's one more. Just so that we don't get surprised.
I'm just gonna be here
Okay,
to
never mind.
revive
Sige,
you
close,
guys.
close.
Wait, let's wait. I think they know we're here now, so we can run.
Yeah, but they don't know where we are, so we just have to find the radio station.
Oh,
Uy!
Oh,
There's
do I
three
have
of
to
here. There's three of them.
shoot?
Ah,
Oh my gosh.
That was hard.
my eyes up. Should have looked through the window.
Oh man.
This is hard. Like, this is...
This is
It's punishing.
this requires so much like alertness.
That kata, nagano tayo, Serenity.
Oh, we're here?
Oh shoot.
It's a different one.
No, it's not here.
But this is one of the hey, what's up there? Hello? Intimidate. Arados, this is
Intimidate.
your job. Get down. Mm.
Oh no!
Okay lang.
Stop yelling, damn it.
Ay, sorry.
Get out here. I missed everything.
Oh no!
He
Everyone's
was
alerted.
running away.
Aaron behind you! Ow!
I killed him.
Oh, no,
Oh, shit.
everyone's alerted.
Sige, it's okay. That's better.
Hirap naman.
Let's just...
Aaron, there's 10 of them. No. They don't know this.
Right. Here they come. This is fun, but we need to lock in.
Yeah, we need to be
Yeah,
careful.
let's not
with
make
that.
any noise agad. Like, I don't know how to do this, pero I feel like we should check every room talaga.
No.
Can we like not kick down the doors?
Yeah, if we
Yeah,
can...
if it's locked na lang,
Yeah.
let's not
Do
go
we have
through
pick
that.
lock? Oh yeah, we have lock picks. Let's pick lock. Tas one be prepared. Push lang,
Oh
push
nga
lang.
no.
Push lang.
Ayun. How do you put?
Careful. Careful. Tab.
Okay.
Tab.
See if we can ano. Let's see if we can open this one muna.
Okay, one
Okay,
lockpick
you can lockpick.
and one check.
Sige na lock pick. I can lock pick. Okay.
I lockpick.
Sige, sige. I'll check
I'm
lang.
gonna check our 6.
So, no, support Jim. Support Jim.
Oh no,
Okay.
don't know how to lockpick pala. Somebody lockpick us.
I'll do it.
Just F.
Sure, I'll do it.
Ayun.
I'll do it.
Careful.
Can someone support me? Support me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
I don't have a gun. Wait lang, chill. Chill, no, don't do that next time.
I get it.
Ano, like there's infinite lockpicks naman, so we can just keep lockpicking stuff. Ito, do I lockpick this?
Yeah.
Support
Checking
me.
your 3.
Support me. Don't open it.
Checking 9.
Don't open it. I'll open it ah.
Yeah.
I'll open it slowly.
Slowly. Okay.
Okay, clear.
This is immersive.
Looks like we're here.
This is
Yeah,
gonna
That
be the
bridge
hard.
downstairs. I don't think we should go there.
If we were put in this situation,
Okay, this
Are
one.
I
you
think
should
we'd
go
do
now.
well,
Wait, it's open.
to be honest.
Really, we're going there. Ito na yun sana.
Okay, we can, okay.
Check
let's try to go
your,
later.
ano,
Close this,
Lock.
I'll close this now. No, close it.
they're
I'll
probably
lockpick
gonna
this, I'll
come
lockpick
from
this.
there.
Wait, it's open. This one's open.
Really?
It's open.
I'm checking our south.
Open it. Slowly.
Oh no. There's 4 of them.
It's okay.
Intimidate. Hang on.
Aaron! Nice.
Okay, may sa likod. There's someone behind you. Good job.
Oh, meron din dito.
Where?
Down.
Behind.
Uy!
Ow!
What happened?
It exploded. I don't know.
Wait lang.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
not good.
Help.
Wait.
How do we...
Wait.
Is there a
I'm
sneak
helping
attack? How do we
Aaron.
sneak attack?
No, there isn't.
Oh my gosh. This
There
is
was
so hard.
a bomb here.
Good job. How do we win this? I don't get it. It's so hard.
No, we can do this.
Like in the end, we just popped everybody.
No. Oh! Oh, he fired.
Good job, good job.
Danders of my ass. Ow!
Where?
What? He was behind me already?
What we
I
can do
killed
next
him.
time is
I
just
killed
like
him.
just walk past him. Sige. I'll cover.
Wait, we're getting good.
Yeah.
Next time, let's try to walk past them if we can. No mercy. There's someone shooting,
Yeah.
Oh, what? I was one tap. Guys.
Shit.
You there?
Okay.
On...
I'm
No,
I'm
one's alive,
reviving
one's alive,
Aaron.
one's alive.
Okay, I'm gonna check.
Let's check flank.
I was
Oh.
one hit. I'm so sorry. Uy! Oh, not
Oh.
I don't have ammo.
Reload. Let's use the pillars.
Okay.
This is desert.
No way. That's definitely a blast door.
Ah.
Obviously, it's a name. We have to blast.
No, it has to be controlled. Oh!
Oh,
Guys,
behind.
behind!
Oh, I don't have bullets.
I also don't have
Oh!
bullets.
I was one shot! No,
Ate.
I don't have
Faster.
bullets anymore.
Fire, Jay! Fire!
What? I got revived though.
Oh, it was too late.
Yeah.
How do we have? Ano?
That's so hard.
How do we reload?
We can R. Pero
Yeah, but
if
after that,
if we can, like may mga ano yan? There's like places where you can reload.
Ah, apa yan?
this is fun, but like
That's
hard.
ano,
But that's
there's bullets are not unlimited na pala.
Let's try to open this nga muna. Oh, this is not a door. Let's go upstairs na, let's go. Okay, we can't go upstairs. This is
I'm
it.
gonna try to tread lightly.
Let's open this. Ay, hindi pala door. Let's go up. Hindi pala.
Tread lightly.
I don't know,
I'm gonna
lockpick.
open this door, huh?
Oh no, it can be open.
Go on.
Oh,
May.
Accidentally shot.
wala siyang... Oh, meron siyang ano. There, I opened it.
Save bullets. Let's try it.
Yeah, just...
Wala. Oh.
Wait, intimidate.
The door open. What?
I'm checking south.
The door open? Where? Non-hostile? Who killed us?
I did. I accidentally killed the
Oh, shoot, man.
Sabay nakikiharang. Nakikiharang naman to.
Yung mga civilians eh.
Yeah, nakaharang sila, girl.
What the
I feel like,
heck?
can we lower down the freaking difficult? It's so hard.
Yeah, I think we should.
It's so hard.
Okay. How do we do that? Return.
Yeah, return. Fuck,
That
that's so hard.
was fun though. If we get like more
Maybe we
good
can
at this
do it.
game,
It's gonna be fun.
yeah, it's gonna be like super duper immersive. You get my gist?
This is what we look like. Ikaw to GM, yung nakamaskara.
Ah,
And then, and then you're the one with the
You're
beard.
the-
And I'll find
Quite
Cecil.
fitting if I do say so myself.
medium level.
No,
I
not
mean-
medium. Yung, kasi,
Lenity or Serenity? Serenity na.
sure, I don't know, kayo bahala. Pero like ano,
Eh, dito easy as.
I feel like we should, ang hirap eh.
Wait! Hindi ako yan ah.
Okay, wait, I'm leaving.
Wait. I don't wanna be Kalar.
Ikaw, Jairon dyan.
I wanna be Casca.
Yan.
Ayan!
Don't wanna be a young guy on war.
Is it just the same mission?
Yeah. We're gonna start from the very start though.
Oh.
I'm gonna
Yun lang
review.
lang. Kahit easy, we were trapped kasi din.
Yeah, this time let's try not to make any noise. Oh, you know, you can see that there's on the right side. You can see how noisy we are.
The decibel.
I don't know, I love it.
Ang Nope.
Alright, let's find the key card. Do we get this one muna? No need. Do we open this?
That door.
Do I lockpick it? I'm gonna lockpick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala siyang prompt na ano eh. Ayun, meron na. Go, tread lightly.
Sige. Check if,
No
ano,
people
check
so
nyo if nandiyan
far.
yung keycard somewhere.
Ito kasi if you, if you swing, if you do the door, like they hear it rattling.
Ayun nga eh. Let's
I'm
check
not
this
sure
once
now.
muna. So that when we go to the final one, it's mas madali na lang. Ito, we can push this one na lang oh. Oh!
Oh,
Huh?
wait.
No, intimidate.
Intimidate!
Oh, there's a. I thought that was a bomb. Okay, we didn't get a huge hit as well. Wait, look. Again, ban.
Boy. I can
Lockpick.
lockpick again. Uy! Gago.
Wait,
Sorry.
Okay, check your well.
did you turn off flashlight?
Huh?
Did you turn off the flashlight?
I don't think you can.
No one's there.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's here. Wait, it's somewhere in here. Right somewhere here.
I'm gonna focus.
There's someone coughing.
No one's here.
I think that's Jarek.
I that's it. Like, wait, I'm gonna save. Someone's coughing. Here.
See, this is much easier to like sneak into kasi we can just kinda crouch. Or well, not crouch, pero we can like ang layo ng rooms from one another so they can't really hear us.
Check your 12.
Okay?
Check
Can you
your
open it?
6.
No. I'll lockpick. Prepare. Sige, push it close.
Red lightning.
Okay. Check that.
Check if
Are you
the
right?
keycard's here.
Nothing. Get out.
Card.
Okay, can we open this now?
Where's the card?
Guys,
Okay. We're here.
Card is open.
Okay, let's get out of here.
here na, last one. It's probably here, on these two.
Check it out. Check it out.
Okay.
Lockpick, check your
How do you slowly
nine.
turn the door open?
Ayun no, there's this hand. You see the hand one?
The
You see
door
the hand?
handle.
Uy!
Mm.
Okay, get ready. Open card.
Oh.
Are they gone? Oh! Hey!
Ah.
Oh!
Ow.
Opposite. Ah! No! I tried
Ah!
to cover.
What? I didn't see him.
Oh, you see your health, yung percentage dun sa baba, if you're low or not.
Oh, that was the button.
That's, sige, akala ko
I thought
battery
that
lang
was the
siya.
battery as well.
And then I saw it, kasi 100% siya kanina, and then I saw it drop to 0% when I died. I was like, what? Wait, it's your freaking health.
This is fun.
It's hard though, holy shit. Oh, we don't even have a freaking...
We can barely proceed.
It's hard.
The trap.
I don't know what to do kasi nung ano, like, I really don't know.
Oh yeah, your head goes down.
Guys, stay over here.
We gotta move fast.
I'm dying.
Can you heal? Does it heal over time? No.
No.
Key card. Come on.
Dungeon clean.
Should we go this first? Shit.
Oh shit. Oh,
Oh,
Oh, I killed two non-hostiles.
they weren't. It's fine. Everything.
They had guns.
No mercy.
No
No
mercy.
mercy.
no mercy.
Exactly.
We just can't kill another one. That's it.
Okay.
Don't kill
We
another.
can kill 3 more. We can kill.
We can kill 2.
I had
but
my
not
crosshair
more.
on their heads pa. Ang ganda nung pagka-strafe ko doon. They were just lined up.
I'm still 24 health.
Okay, I
That was a
I
quadra
can tank for
kill.
you.
Quadra kill ang civilians. Guys.
Hey, we don't know. We can't trust anyone.
Honestly.
Remember, they're just as hostile.
Oh, there's a.
Someone?
Done. I'm a liar.
If you see someone,
Oh,
oh,
the key card. The key card.
key
Nakita mo
card.
na? Okay, we don't need any more we don't need any more.
Okay, we just need to go to the blast door thing, the one with the really big gate.
Is there no bullets?
No ammo refill yet. Okay,
Come here.
checkpoint. Hey, big guy, what's your name? Just in case I live, you know.
The name's Aratus. Serving the arms of
They call me Casca. Signed a contract some time ago and got placed in the first assault. But they also left me behind, seeing a pattern here. Anyways, what's that kid doing here? He looks too young to be fighting.
Oh, they're healing. I'm healing.
Ayan.
Oh,
Oh, been hearing stories of fire
Lockpick?
injuring a lot of people.
we need to lockpick.
Ito, we have ano. Oh my gosh. I got ano. You can get ano.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what happened?
I got everything I need.
Can you 3D print ano? Ah, never mind. Sige.
Ow! Back!
What happened?
It was a trapdoor.
Got that actually.
Good thing nasa checkpoint na tayo, mother.
Girl.
Enjoy pa ako.
Why me? Shut your ass
bitch
down.
ran. Oh no, he ran.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Check your 12 guards.
Okay, the door's open here on my right.
Should I close this? Oh, someone's here. Behind.
Run! Get out of there. Get out.
Just go here. We have more
coming.
spaces to cover.
Ow! I got headshotted.
Sige, we have a crossfire. Are you guys down?
No,
I revived him.
Okay, good job. Oh, that's good. That's actually good that we just rushed in there. Careful, marami
Yeah.
dito.
This space is good because you can cover.
Yeah, I love this shit. It's the explosion
Guys,
door.
careful.
No
Flank.
way, that's definitely a blast door. Obviously, it's in the name. We have to blast.
A child.
Quiet, motherfucker. I figured it out myself.
Taking things into his own hands. Okay.
Okay, so what was the last thing that we did that killed us here?
We got killed by some chased us. Ayun na. There's a way here.
Okay, check your 3.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know, that's the way from the beginning.
Tread lightly.
You can hit control, huh?
What's that?
Oh, it
Oh,
slows
no,
you
it
down.
makes you quieter.
Oh,
Oh, just hit control then. Wait,
Yeah,
this is the
exactly.
from the beginning.
you like it?
No.
Haha, just messing with you, sir. Oh,
Ay.
sir.
Sir,
Sir.
I healed up myself.
What do we do?
I think we have to find a way to.
Should we inspect the blast door?
Oi! Behind you, Jay!
Oh,
That's him.
Okay, no more.
How do we unlock the blast door? Aren't we supposed to go to the radio station?
No. We have to unlock a prompt there first. We have to go near the blast door.
Why do I have to do that? Oh, there's a bomb! There's a bomb!
Okay. Pwede ka mag-cut?
I had to.
Okay. Intimidate.
Okay.
Wait, that's dumb. If someone enters here, they're gonna explode too.
Yeah, they're all teammates. I'll check the prompt.
I'll go back here.
Nice job. No!
Ano ba yan? He was
Why?
top of a guy.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Not in the slightest. You could still blow the door up though.
Oh, the door's open.
Find the radio and then let's
Already there.
find the radio station and see. This is the radio station.
Signal for help.
Look, it's open. It's open. It's open. The gate's open.
Uy!
Oh no. I in the pillar.
Oh, here!
Ano?
Open fire.
Good job.
I need to heal and dying. Close enough.
Uy! He didn't die? That's so
We
dumb!
killed him.
That's so
Don't
dumb!
worry.
I one-tap his head and he didn't die. Oh, dude, I have to stay back. I only
It's
have
okay.
35 health. They're actively searching for us, guys. Careful sa taas.
It's stopping me. We need to go up.
Walang heal.
If you go back to the where we respawned.
Too far now.
Uy!
Nice! Oh my god. There's someone coming. I'm low. There's someone coming. Close the door. Or what?
Don't
What's
kill
up?
it, don't kill it, don't kill it. You're gonna die.
Yeah.
Should we go up? Let's go up.
Check.
It's immersive, for real.
It
Oh.
is immersive. Oh, careful.
Ito yun eh.
Yun,
Ayun, checkpoint safe.
medkit. Man.
Is this another checkpoint?
Yeah. Oh my god, we made it so far. Ammo!
It needs to say checkpoint. Did
Yeah,
it
it
say?
did. Yeah, it
Yes,
did.
it checkpoint
Okay.
save.
Whoa, this is the farthest we've been in this game.
Para saan yung printer? I don't get it.
I don't know. It 3D scans things, but I don't.
I don't understand it, sir.
Oh, I feel like it 3D scans
Oh
guns
no.
or something. Can you open it slowly? Okay.
I don't. Oh, we're outside.
Oh no, that means we have no cover.
What's again?
It's raining too.
Oh, there's different buildings.
Oh, oh, someone's there.
Where?
Don't know. Can you see that? What is that?
I don't think that's anyone.
That's not
Okay.
the code. There's no password and everything.
Teka, sakit ng tenga ko. Ah,
Actually, I don't understand what's that. Hello? Oh,
my bad.
tatago ko bomb.
There's nothing here at the right.
Sa door in the...
There's another door here too.
Oh, it's down here. What? Are we supposed to go here?
I think so. Most
Ow.
probably. Ate, I'm on top of you. Wait lang.
There was another door there, huh?
I think it leads to the same room.
Control nga tayo. Let's control. Is it openable?
It's a different building. It's grand. Oh! Oh, I saw someone. Oh!
Showing now?
Ah, fuck.
Ow, Aaron!
Is this a radio?
You closed the door on me.
Sorry.
Yun, the radio!
Yan.
Pronto, pronto.
Plant
Reading loud
bombs
and
at the
clear.
anti-air radar.
Oh, there's someone there, oh.
Don't
There's
disturb
someone
him.
that
Don't
door.
disturb
There's
him.
someone behind that door. There's someone behind that door.
Don't disturb him.
Get out.
Where do we go?
Don't know where's the anti-air.
Should be up top, right?
I'll be silent again, guys.
Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Ow!
Ay, sorry na maldi ka pa pala. Should we go outside and check?
There's another door here.
I'll just peek. There's no one there. Let's leave.
Check this one. We have to lockpick it.
Ay!
Oh. Careful.
Nasa na keep.
Okay, there's no one. But there's another door here. Nothing?
I
Grabe.
think this leads to outside. Let's check. Hello? Oh no, it's inside. No, it's the
There's a safe.
third one. What? Ito naman to safe mo to?
Can you lockpick it? Oh, you can.
Help! Okay, I'm stuck.
Here, guys.
That's not the door.
Oh. I thought that was a door.
Here, guys. We have to go out.
Okay. May code din dito. I just don't know what it is. Here.
Nga eh. Pero we didn't get them.
3-digit code.
Oh shit. Oh, it's mine.
Hmm?
It's the anti. Now we have to go to the others.
Here? Let's control nga. Control.
Well, just check the card one. You guys can. Smoking.
Okay, it's a 3. I feel like this is the, dalawa lang. I feel like this is the safer one muna. Should I, ayun, it's open. Wait lang. Oh. Okay, there's nothing here.
Your fix.
Slowly.
Look at this. And there's stairs. No, we definitely have to go up.
I feel like, yeah, we have to go here.
I don't see anything. Oh, here.
Sige, lockpick it.
Oh no.
It's okay. Just lakad. Uy, ito, there's something here.
We have to go up.
Oh, we have to go up one more time.
Whoa, this is beautiful. Look at that thing. It's gigantic. What is
This is
that?
the anti-air one.
Anti-air radar. Ayun.
Escape via helipad.
Oh no, we have to go to the other side.
Run.
Can we drop? Don't run. We can't jump, okay.
Someone on top, oh.
Where? Oh shit, there's
Look at
someone on
this
top.
side.
I wanna snipe this guy, but I feel like it's not a good idea.
Ha. Not bad, boss.
Where do
And
we go?
now
Where's
we
the
go.
exit? Him. I wanna shoot him.
It's a guy, right?
Yeah, it's a guy. I feel like let's just be patient. Let's not rush things. We've gone this far being patient, so let's just try to finish it all the way. Close it after.
Let's go in.
Let's close the door. Uy!
Does that make a sound?
JM, don't be tempted. There's something whispering in your ears and don't listen to them.
That's a guy. That's
Quiet.
definitely a guy, JM. You're right. That's definitely a guy.
Should that snipe him? Quiet. Turn off your flashlights.
I don't. How do you turn off your flashlight?
Just look down.
How do you go up?
There's gotta be a way up. The
I think we
code?
need to unlock. I know. Yeah.
How do you get the? What's the code?
There, oh. You need to get up from here. To the cow.
Tignan mo nga, Jerry.
Lock, pick it up.
I don't think you can lock me that, Jerry.
Oh, there's a prompt here.
I know. I feel like we just follow this thing.
Oh, there's a guy up here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready.
How do we get up?
How do we get up?
Ah! Come. I know that goes down.
Here.
Are there doors that we haven't opened except for that one?
I'll check outside.
Sige.
Ay, it's outside. The
Okay,
stairs out here.
Wait for us, JM. There's someone there.
Sige. Pascal?
Aradus.
Ah!
Oh, it exploded.
Ate, it exploded.
Tara, let's
Up
go.
there. Oh, no, it's
Oh.
because we already triggered it. Now we can go now.
There's a guy in front. Can you snipe him? Snipe him, snipe him.
Can't see him.
He's not here. We just need to get there.
Can show. Shoot him.
Down. Oh no, that's an ally. That's an ally.
Oh. It's not good. Shoot him.
That's an ally.
We'll be bad soldiers, guys.
I'm here. Get down! Kanina pala siya nandyan.
Ah,
Wow. Nashan combat.
Let's go.
that was so good.
Oh,
I only have
Oh.
693 here.
you only have one?
And
Same.
Ah. Return? Ay, let's return. After ko pa tayo magre-replay. Do you guys wanna know how long that was? That was 1 hour and 2 minutes.
wow.